I am explaining the 10th poem, A Slumber Did My Spirit Seal, which is written by William Wordsworth. Otherwise, we have almost heard every time that Wordsworth is a nature lover. He every time talks about natural things, but in this poem, he is talking about the death of a loved one. Just one another aspect is taken. So it is called one elegy, Elegi. How does the poet feel when he thinks about her death? How does he imagine her to be after death? And now new type of imagination is given of the poet. It is nice poem to read. We all can relate our lives with this poetry. In this poem, the rhyme scheme is very simple. That is A B A B. Yes, now poem starts. A slumber did my spirit seal. I had no human fears. She seemed a thing that couldn't feel the touch of earthly years. Yes, it should be clear that the poet is talking about his beloved. And now he starts. By chance, he was just enjoying one kind of sleep. Slumber means sleep, but here it means he was unaware. He was in his dreams, but by chance his sleep quickly took his spirit, because at that time he didn't have any kind of human fears. Yes, he is talking about his beloved at that time when he was just sleeping. Sleeping means he was enjoying his life with her. At that time, the lady or the girl seemed a thing. Means she seemed like a thing that could not have any death, that couldn't feel the touch of earthly years. Means when the poet was enjoying his life with that lady, he could never imagine that she could die one day. She could be affected by the earthly years. But then what happened? She was no more. No motion has she now. Now the poet is saying, now she is no more, because there is no movement of life, no force, there is no stamina, there is no power, no glow, nothing, because she neither hears nor sees, as she has lost all the senses. She cannot hear, she cannot watch anything. Then the poet is giving one consolation in a nice way. He thinks, rolled round in earth's diurnal course with rocks and stones and trees. Yes, he feels that she is immortal, because she has been in the earth, she has been buried in the earth. That's why she is rolling with the earth daily routine. Diurnal stands for daily routine, because earth every time rotates. So the poet is feeling she is immortal, she has got immortality, because she has been one part of real earth, and earth rotates, so she is also rotating with rocks, stones and trees. Yes, one nice theme is given. Whenever our loved one dies, then we cannot imagine that one person is no more with us. At that time we feel like this, but ultimately we have to console, because we all are mortals. Ultimately we all have to leave this world. So it is one kind of consolation by saying that she is now one part of earth, and she is every time surrounding us. Nice approach has been given here. In this poem, poetic device, first one metaphor, because a slumber means not sleep exactly, rather slumber means unawareness, dreamy state we can say, because the poet was unaware about the real issues. Yes, then there are alliteration examples too, like she seemed. No, first one, a slumber did my spirit. So this is one nice example of alliteration. Now we should do questions thinking about the poem. next question. A slumber did my spirit seal, says the poet. That is a deep, deep closed off his soul. How does the poet react to his lover's death? Does he feel bitter grief or does he feel a great peace? Yes, the poet is really shocked. He is totally stunned when he checks that his beloved is no more. Then he starts feeling real pain. Earlier, he was quite unaware as he was enjoying nice company every time in the form of his beloved. But then he feels that death is every time must. Death cannot give any nice feeling. It is always associated with problems, with miseries, with pain. So he doesn't get peace, rather, he becomes very, very painful. Now, second question. The passing of time will no longer affect her, says the poet. Which lines of the poem say this? Is one sentence. She seemed a thing that could not feel the touch of earthy years is one special sentence because poet's beloved is no more. That's why she cannot have any emotions. She cannot watch anything. She cannot hear anything. She cannot feel anything. That's why this is the best sentence given by the poet. Now, next question. How does the poet imagine her to be after death? Does he think of her as a person living in a very happy state or does he see her now as a part of nature? Yes, it is nice question. The poet imagines that she has become a real part of this earth because she is in the earth, mixed in the earth. No, he does not think that she is living very happy life because she has gone to a heaven like we all think about our loved ones after death. But the poet says that she has been in the earth and she will be there forever as she has got immortality. One nice sentence is given in the end. Rolled round in earth's diurnal course with rocks and stones and trees. In this way, the poet describes that she will be every time surrounding him as she has become one special unit of earth forever.